Raising the Mary Rose. Question 1 to 4. Do the following statements agree with the given in reading paragraph 1? True, false, not given. First is, there is some doubt about what caused Mary Rose to sink. Its answer is in paragraph A. Reading from this line, accounts of what happened to the ship vary. While witnesses agree that she was not hit by French, some maintain that she was outdated, overladen, and sailing too low in the water. Others that she was mishandled by undisciplined crew. So the statement is true that there is some doubt about what caused the Mary Rose to sink. Second, the Mary Rose was the only ship to sink in the Battle of 19 July 1545. On 19 July 1545, English and French fleets were engaged in a sea battle off the coast of southern England in the area of water called the Solent, between Portsmouth and Isle of Wight. Among the English vessels was a warship by the name of Mary Rose, built in Portsmouth some 35 years earlier. She had had a long and successful fighting career and was a favorite of King Henry VIII. None of the passages confirms or deny that the Mary Rose was the only ship to sink in the Battle of 19 July, so it is not given. Third is, most of one side of the Mary Rose lay undamaged under the sea. Its answer is in paragraph B. Because of the way the ship sank, nearly all of the starboard half survived intact. The passage B confirms that one side of the Mary Rose lay undamaged under the sea, so it is true. Fourth, Alexander Mackay knew that the wreck would contain many valuable historical objects. Its answer is in paragraph E, second line. Mackay and his team now knew for certain that they had found the wreck, but were as yet unaware that it also housed a treasure trove of beauty-preserved artifact. So paragraph E, second line confirms that Alexander Mackay, they were unaware that it housed a treasure trove of beautifully preserved artifact or many valuable historical objects. So this is false. The statement contradicts with the information available in the passage. 5 to 8. Match each statement with the correct data. Fifth, a search for the Mary Rose was launched. Its answer is in paragraph D, first line. The Mary Rose then faded into the obscurity for another 100 years, but in 1956, military historian and amateur diver Alexander Mackay, in conjunction with the British Sub-Aqua Club, initiated a project called Solent Ships. While on paper this was a plan to examine a number of known wrecks in the Solent, what Mackay really hoped for was to find the Mary Rose. So its answer is 1956. Sixth, one person's exploration of the Mary Rose site stopped. Its answer is in paragraph C, last line. Tierney continued diving on the site intermittently until 1840, recovering several more guns, two bows, various timbers, a part of pump, and various other small finds. So this line confirms that one person's exploration of the Mary Rose site stopped, and the year is 1840. It was agreed that the hull of the Mary Rose should be raised. Its answer is in paragraph E, last second line. While the original aim was to raise the hull if at all feasible, The operation was not given the go-ahead until January 1982, when all the necessary information was available. 8th, the site of Mary Rose was found by chance. Its answer is in paragraph C, first line. Then on 16 June 1836, some fishermen in the Solent found that their equipment was caught on an underwater obstruction, which turned out to be Mary Rose. 9 to 13, raising the hull of Mary Rose, stage 1 and 2. 9th, dash attached to hull by wires. Its answer is in paragraph F, second line. The hull was attached to a lifting frame via a network of bolt and lifting wires. The hull was attached to a lifting frame. 10th, dash to prevent hull being sucked into mud. Its answer is in next line, same paragraph. The problem of the hull being sucked back downwards in the mud was overcome by using 12 hydraulic jacks, and hydraulic jacks is its answer. 11th, legs are placed into dash. Its answer is in same paragraph, last line. This required precise positioning to locate the legs into the stabbing guides of the lifting cradle. Stabbing guide is its answer. 12th, hull is lowered into dash. Its answer is in the next line. The lifting cradle was designed to fit the hull using the archaeological survey drawing and was fitted with airbags to provide additional cushioning for the hull's dedicated timber framework. From this line, it is clear that hull is lowered into lifting cradle. 13 dash used as extra protection for the hull. Its answer is in the same line and was fitted with airbags to provide additional cushioning for the hull's dedicated timber frame, and airbags is answer.